Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Univertech. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of creating realistic car paint in Blender. In this tutorial we will walk you through the entire process step by step to achieve that perfect lifelike car finish. First we will start with the car model as our canvas. From there we will focus on selecting the base color, adding a glossy shine, incorporate subtle bumps into the paint and making final adjustments to bring everything together. So without further ado, let's get started and bring this car to the life with some incredible paint effects. So let's begin with selecting the bonnet of car and add a new material on it. Expand it up and switch to the shader editor. So you can see there is two nodes named as material output and principal BSDF. To achieve base color, we want some adjustment here, like select base color, add metallics and add some roughness to achieve shades into the color, and some other adjustments like coat roughness. So let's start with selecting the base color. Select base color from here and go to the orange. I guess I want red color and add some metallic color here. If you slide it up metallic color, you can see here is huge difference of metallic color and simple color. And now it's time to add some roughness. When we slide the roughness slider backward, it add more shades into the color. And now select coat, enable coat and add some coat. You can see coat is a change into the color that highlights our shadows, and add some roughness of coat here. Now you can see it's our base color, and it's time to add realistic car paint effects into it. For this we want to add a node named as layer weight. For this press shift A, search here layer weighted, and now we can add color ramp to adjust it. And here we need some other things to add into the color effect. So for this I want to add mix shader to mix these things and switch this node to color. And now I want to connect facing from layer weighted to factor on color ramp, and from color ramp select output color, mix a slot. Output into principal base color. First we want to add A and B colors, and now I want to explain how can I make these three nodes. For this I want to add a color A and add some color in B. You can see here is some mix of those two colors, and when you navigate in 3D viewport, you can see it change its color appearance. But now we can work on a single color. So I want to select blue color from here, and now we want to add a noise texture into realistic car. So for this I want to add shift A Vernier texture, add a Vernier texture node and select it, and press Ctrl T to add mapping node and texture coordinator. And now texture coordinator, I want to switch object to vector. If you cannot reveal by pressing Ctrl T, so simply you can go to the edit tab and preferences, go to the add-on, search from here node wrangler. If not check it, simply check it and save preferences. And now you can press Ctrl T and you can get. So now it's time to add color ramp. To get better result, connect output color from vernier texture into and output of color ramp colors into base color. You can see changes here. You can see vernier texture here, scale and its appearance, its value in color. Adjust it, play with some adjustments and scale vernier textures. If we cannot add color ramp, you can see difference here. It adds vernier texture to my all color, but we want by distance because we can get shine in our color, so need to add color ramp for this. So I want to slide it towards the white color. Scale it from scale the vernier texture to add more. I type it on 1000 value and you can see this is only a vernier texture, and it's time to combine these color, above color and this vernier texture. For this I want to add color ramp output into mix B. So you can see both color and vernier texture add. But here you can see there is a simple vernier texture. We want to apply some roughness into vernier texture to achieve blue color into the vernier texture. For this I want to add geometry node. Press Shift A and press type geometry. And now add mix and switch to the into color and change it into linear light. Adjust it here and geometry node normal connect with mix A. B connector connect with above vernier texture color base. And now define normal, we need to add vector math. Before adding vector math, mix result connector connect with vector. Now change it with normal and connect it with vector. And after that so this is my mistake. We want to base mesh as red because I want red color. We need to add glossify node and adjust it some here to add some nodes. To get result, connect color ramp color with glossify color and vector math with normal. And now you can see one section of base color here, and so these nodes add vernier texture and bottom nodes add some glossify effect roughness into shine. And now we need to connect this color base and this vernier texture with my material output. For this we need to add mix shader. Add mix shader and connect glossify output with shader B part and principal BSDF output with socket A, and then connect mix shader output with material output, sorry. And now you can see here is our shine with some roughness. And if you disconnect this wire, if I disconnect color ramp wire from basic color of BSDF, you can see this is only show vernier texture. And if I want to remove normal from normal, You can see there is no shine and no roughness in our shine. Get back slider roughness to add more roughness, and you can see we want shine in only highlighted area where we get light on my color, and add some vernier texture more, and I want to add win 1500. And now you can see, so here we need to add bump in our color to get better and realistic result in car paint. For this we need to add noise texture first, and select it, hit Ctrl T to add mapping nodes, and switch UV to object from texture node. And now add bump node, press Shift A, type bump, and now connect factor with heights. And now it's time to add BSDF, glossy BSDF for bump node, add normal to normal. And now it's need to add this with our output material. I want to remove color base and add this, and you can see this is bump in our paint. And now scale it down to achieve better result, to get bump roughness on your material. And play with these all details to add your desired result. I want to adjust with my values, and you can play with your own project to get better results. And now we want to connect base color with this, and connect this both with output material. For this we need to add mix shades. Add mix shade and connect bump node with bottom shade, and connect mix shader with vernier texture with above shades. And now connect this mix shade with output material. Now you can see we have this output, we get this output. And for this this is a problem with our color. To solve this we need to add Fresnel node, press Shift A, type Fresnel, and add it with second mix shader factor value with factor. And now you can see we get this result better, like realistic car paint. And now it's time to apply on both car body. So first of all we need to rename our material. Type car paint, red car paint. Select this part where you want to apply this. Go to the material tab, add material, and now you can see our realistic car paint. Like you can see there is some bumps, shine, and vernier texture. You can see where we get light in our model. Here some shiny effect will apply, will reveal. And that's it for today's episode of Univertech. We have covered the step to create a realistic car paint, from selecting your car model to applying base color, adding shine, and fine-tuning the details. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you are ready to create stunning car paint in your own project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any question or want to see more tutorial like this, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.